Okay, this video shows you how to access the LMS as a lecturer. Okay, so first of all, you have to open your favorite web browser. It can be Microsoft Edge or Firefox or Chrome browser, of which any of which kind that you like. Then inside the search bar or the address bar, then you enter the link that has been displayed on your screen. That's the ghcuceclass.mywire.org. Then after entering that link, press enter. Now you have the login page to enter your password or your credentials. That's first the username. So you enter your username and later password that you have used to create the account for the LMS. Now you are logged into your account, right? Then now we are going to create course. So you scroll down, then you go to create courses. That's create course. When you create course, a page appears. Then you enter the name of the particular course. So let's say this course that I'm creating is social engineering, right? Now I'm creating a course called social engineering. Then I'll now go to advanced settings to add more features to the course. So we have category, but the category you can choose to ignore. Then you come to the course code. So you type the course code for the particular course that you are trying to create. So then English is always the language. The reason why I'm getting an error message here is because there's a space between my course code. There shouldn't be any space. It should be combined. Yeah, it can be letters and words, but it should be combined. Okay, now I've created my course. So this is inside the course. We've entered the course. Inside the course, we have a lot of things here. That's documents. Okay, so here I'm going to teach you how to upload documents. So you are inside the document, then you go to this particular icon which will tell you to upload the documents. Now you are going to choose a document. You can drag and drop, or you can choose a document that you want to upload. Okay, so when you press on the choose document, to send it to your PC where you want to upload to choose the particular course that you want to upload, or the particular document that you want to upload. It can be Word document, PSD, any picture that you want to upload. So now you can see a successful message that my document has been uploaded. Now I press on my document. I can edit it here using the pencil, delete it using the X button, change it to PDF, all of them over there. Okay, so I'm going back to my home page or my courses. So I'm going back to my courses where the courses that I've created will display have been displayed so far. Then I'll select the particular course that I want to create a test for. Now I'm coming to create a test. Yes, I will create a test. You tap on the test, you choose create test. Now you type in the particular test name. Let's say any name that you want to give the test. Let's say it's a mid-sem, it's an exam, or it's a short quiz or anything. So this working space particularly give you a context to give the test. You have a feedback, any kind of feedback that you want to choose. You click on the radio button, a show score to the learner, any type that you want. Even if you want to show the scores after the exams, you can do it. The questions on one page is usually the recommended type. Yeah, questions on all the questions on one page is usually the recommended type, so that in case of network issue the student will not be trying to struggling to load to another page. Then you come to shuffle answers. The shuffle answers will help you to shuffle the questions. So in case maybe they are close together, the students are close together, you can shuffle the answers or the questions together, so that this number one will be someone's number two. Now the maximum number of attempts someone can log in or can work on the project or the test is specified there. You can choose the maximum number of, but usually, but mostly we use 2 times. Yeah, because when you use one time, maybe the person, because of internet access or anything, person may be struggling. Then we have the time over there, the start time, the end time, the percentage, the pass percentage. You can indicate it. If you get 10, you get this percentage, like that, anything. And the test appearing at the end of the tests. So that's how it works. That's the working space for it. Okay, now you proceed to questions. Okay, proceed to questions. So this particular things you are seeing here all specify the format you can put your questions. So maybe you want to put your question in two radio button, you can do it like any form of any form that you want to put your question. So we've chosen the first one. Usually it's used for objective questions. The first one where I can put my question or I can input my question as okay, for example. So that's the first question you're coming to type. You type, maybe I said mouse is an input device. Then I come down. The advanced settings just give you to enrich the questions. Like if you want to add more details to the question, that's when you use the enrich question. Then you come to the answers part. Answers part, because it's true or false, I choose it to be true or false. I say okay, the first answer should be true. That's like A should be true. Then I can give a score. Or okay, now the second one I say okay, it should be false. So I have true or false here, of which I've take the blue button of the true, that the answer is true, but the student will not know that it's true. Now I give the score there, that if the person chooses true, you should give the person 5 marks. But if it's false, then the mark remains what? 0. Now that's how the true or false questions work. So if you've chosen two sets of possible answers, you can delete the rest of the possible inputs over there. That's the field over there. So if I say okay, remove, you tap on the remove, tap on the remove, one will go. So now add to test and add question to test. The reason why I didn't come, because there's one other test field or answer field that is there that I have not deleted yet. Okay, that I have not deleted yet. Now you come to remove the third one, so that it will remain with only the true or false. So now I add question to tests. So you've added one question. If you want to continue, you repeat the same step, like adding more questions. You repeat the same test. And now you go to tests. Then you can see your questions over there. The particular test that you've created is there. The missing, I say missing 3 is there. The question is 1. I have only one question. So all the details over here, I can use it to control the question that I've created. So let's say I want to hide the question from the student because I'm not yet done setting the question. You can use the I button to hide it. So you use the pencil to edit it. Then this icon over there to the reports. We have the reports, and also the close or the cancel test all over there. So if I off the eye and I want to see, I want to I go to students view, I will not see the particular question because I've off the eye. That's the question will not be displayed. So I'll go to the students view to check or verify if truly the question is not being displayed to the what, to the student view. Now turn back to the lecture view. So that's how we create a course, how the details function.